back to my YouTube channel. So today I have come with a very different video. If you're thinking to buy a tablet which has a great screen, good build quality, active pen support, a good battery backup, and all these in your budget, then your search is over. So I have been using this tablet since 2 months now. So now I can review it very well. This tab is not newly launched, but the tab with the stylus, the one that I am having, is newly launched. So this unboxing video is recorded 2 months ago when I was unboxing it for the very first time. But I thought to review it after I have used for some time. And 2 months are enough to review a product. So let's start. I was thinking to buy this tab from quite a long time, as I was so impressed by the features at such a reasonable price. So after receiving it from Flipkart, I thought to make an unboxing video. This is the box. Product details are at the back. It comes with 4 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. Storage can be expanded up to 256 GB using external memory card. It is a second generation tab. The display is 10.3 inch. The operating system is Android 9 Pie. The battery life is 6 to 8 hours, but when used less, it can actually go up to 15 to 18 hours. The battery power is 5000 mAh battery. The display type is Full HD, making it very comfortable and elegant to use. The primary camera is 5 megapixel and the secondary or the back camera is 8 megapixel. Unboxing my new tab. The tablet looks wow. Let's put it aside and check what all other accessories we have. This is 5 volt 2 ampere charger and the USB is a type C one. So this is the main attraction of the box. How beautiful the stylus looks. Let me take it in my hand first. The stylus is grey in color, made up of aluminium. It feels like premium and it runs on battery. The only thing is that the battery should be changed after certain days, as it can't be recharged. Good part is that battery costs just 20 to 35 rupees only. The volume button and memory card tray is on the right side. The tab looks so sleek and stylish. This is the SIM ejector tool. So the Lenovo Tab M10 FHD Plus gives you a manual in which all the instructions are mentioned. Now coming on to the tab, let's open it. Now inserting the battery in the stylus so I can use it.